శ్రీమన్మహాభారతము 843rd డే. ఓం అస్మద్గురుభ్యో నమః. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. శ్రీమన్మహాభారతము థర్డ్ పర్వం, వనపర్వం ఆర్ అరణ్య పర్వం, 47th chapter. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Vaisampayana Maharshi teaching Sriman Mahabharatam to Janamejaya Maharaju, saying like this, O Raja, Devendra saying to Lomasa Maharshi like this, O Brahmarshi, I am the one who prayed Naranarayana to born on this earth. Bhumer bharavatarana mahaviryau karishyataha. This Naranarayana, Sri Krishna Arjuna are the one who can bring down the heaviness on this earth. They can bring down the bhubharam. Those days there used to be Danavas called Nivata Kavachas. They used to torture us a lot. They are filled up with so many boons, and they always try to kill all the Devatas. They do not even care Devatas. To that extent, they are filled up with so many boons. So, that Nivatakavacha Danavas are the sons of Danu who lives in Patalam. Nivatakavacha Danavas are dreadful, very strong, and even if all the Devatas get together collectively also cannot kill those Nivatakavacha Danavas. There used to be Kapila Maharshi on this earth. He is Sakshat Sri Mahavishnu. And Sagaraputras were totally burnt out by the vision of Kapila Maharshi. That Sri Mahavishnu came down as Sri Krishna. He can do, he does all favorable works for all of us. And that Sri Krishna, just by his vision, he can kill all the Nivatakavacha Danavas. But kimtu nalpena karyena prabodhyo madhusudanaha tejasaha sumaharasihi prabuddhaha pradahet jagat. But for this small work, I do not feel it is good to ask Madhusudana, Sri Hari, Sri Mahavishnu. He is a treasure of all kind of effulgence. If he just gets up, he can burn out this entire universe. But I feel here this Arjuna can kill all those Danavas. And after killing Nivatakavacha Danavas, Punaryasyati Manushan. Then this Arjuna will go back to Manavalokam. Like that, Devendra telling these details to Lomasa Maharshi. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our parents. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our Acharya. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vedavyasa Maharshi. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vigneswara Swami. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to the divine scripture Sriman Mahabharatam. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Let us meditate upon Sriman Narayana who is there within our own heart. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram and sing the glory of Sriman Narayana. ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ನಾರಾಯಣ ನಾರಾಯಣ ನಾರಾಯಣ ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ನಾರಾಯಣ ನಾರಾಯಣ ನಾರಾಯಣ. Srimanarayana came down as Sri Krishna Paramatma and gave us Bhagavad Gita and asked all of us to do 8 things. That is why let us respond back to Srimanarayana saying that we will definitely do those 8 things. O Srimanarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Jai Srimanarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimanarayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimanarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana.